Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is our final video in the Merry Makers Crafty collaboration with a group of people that I have been doing all month long, and we've been posting every Saturday in November with the exception of like that first week, but for 4 weeks we have been posting every Saturday. So previously we have done albums and journals, we did embellishments, tags, ornaments, or ATC cards. That was week 2. Week 3 was holiday cards or Christmas cards. And then today, week 4, we are going to be sharing gift card holders. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. And so is everybody else. So if you guys check the description box down below, I have linked everybody else's channel and you could check out to see what they have been creating for this week. And there's also a playlist. So if you guys have missed any of the videos, check out the playlist. You could see all of everybody's videos all in like a row and see what everybody did for every single week. And it's all in that playlist, so you guys can easily go back to it. So today, like I said, we're going to be doing gift card holders. I was able to use up pretty much at this point now most of this collection, the Merry Everything collection, which is a goal I set for myself to use up this whole entire paper pad during this collab. Now I was using it for the collaboration, but I was just also using it throughout this month, and I'll do like a full recap video next week of every single project that I made with this paper pad, so you guys can kind of see that, and I'll have all the videos linked down below it as well in case you guys missed anything. But we did pretty good. Now there's some scraps here that I'm going to put aside because I could use this in another collection, especially the ones with the words. So I'll probably put those aside, like these little guys. And then the rest of these, honestly, I think I'm done at this point. Could I make maybe a couple more cards, or maybe use or maybe punch out like those little hexagons and make a card out of that? Sure, I probably can. But at this point, I am so done with this paper and I want it gone. So I think I am done with this now at this point. I even made scrappy cards, if you guys saw last week, in my holiday cards, which I did not want to do, but I did it because I was like, okay, I guess I could use up a little bit more paper. But yeah, we are done. Have you ever like used up a whole entire paper pad and now you just want to be done with the whole entire thing? Well, that's how I feel about this collection. So let's get started, and I'm going to share with you guys what I made, what gift card holders I made, and I'll show you guys all that. So here are the gift card holders that I made. I actually used an SVG cut file online that I got, I think from the Silhouette Design Store. But when I make these again, which I will be doing another video soon, I am actually going to be doing a die set. So I kind of had a hard time cutting out super heavyweight cardstock with my cutting machine. It kept getting stuck. I ruined a bunch of paper with the cut file. So next time I'm definitely going to be doing the die set, and I will do a tutorial on that. But for these, I did add a little pocket in the back of these super cute coffee cup like holders. That way I turned it into a gift card holder. You could also add like a little pocket or on the back, or you could just do it with patterned paper where you glue down on 3 sides. But these are so cute because not only can you put like a little something something in the little 4-ounce coffee cups, which I could have those coffee cups linked down below as well. You could put like candies in there, or you could put a K-cup or a couple Nespresso pods, and then you could put a gift card in the back. Now I also put a white like card mat in the back in case somebody didn't want to do a gift card, in case they just wanted to write their greeting card message there. So I think they turned out super duper cute. So I was able to make all of these. I didn't get as much done this week as I wanted to, but I did get these done. And so I hope that's good enough for this week, but I definitely will be making more gift card holders coming up because I need them for my craft fair as well. Anyway, you guys, sorry for the super short video today, but check out everybody else that's in the collaboration. I'm going to be checking them out too because like I said, I need to make gift cards and gift card holders for my craft fair. So I'm going to be looking for everybody else's inspiration as well. And then I'll have to make some as well. But like, honestly, this time, like, this is all I got. I cannot think of anything else at this moment without like finding another cut file or something. I have a couple of dies that I didn't get a chance to use that are like gift card holders. So hopefully in this next week I'll be able to, because my craft fair is in a week and I'm kind of like freaking out just a little bit because I'm like, I feel like I have a lot of stuff, but at the same time I feel like I don't have anything at all, and there's still so many things that I wanted to make. And so I don't know, we'll see what I get done, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out everybody else that's in the collaboration, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.